All right, guys, we are doing the first two-box break of Gold Rush Hall of Fame autograph 8x10. So this is a multi-sport break. It's got basketball stars, baseball, football, and one autograph 8x10. You've got guys like Ted Williams, Mickey Mantle, Walter Payton, Joe Montana, on and on and on. So there's some really, really nice names out of here. So hopefully we can pull something out of this one. So every spot gives you two random first letter of the last name. So I've got John P.A. with one spot. I've got Thomas M. with one, although I didn't get payment from Thomas on that. Donnie with one. John P.O. with three spots. Sean H. with one. Kenny with one. Spencer with one. And then Tony's got one as well. So there are the 10 spots for this break. So let's go ahead and randomize the letters first. All right, so we'll mix this up 5 times. All right, so we eliminated, just so you know, we eliminated Q and X and Z and some of those letters that are a little bit more random. I and O are the other two that we got rid of. So 20 total letters that we're using. All right, we'll mix this up 5 times as well and then match them up. All right, so we got Donnie S. with N and A. John P.A. with V and K. John P.O.'s got H, G, L, M, Y, and F. Kenny's got S and R. Sean H. with C and B. Spencer's got J and T. Thomas has got W and E. And then Tony has got P and D. All right, let's see. PSA DNA. Oh, wow. How about a John Elway right off the bat along with Christian McCaffrey? So that is going to be E and M, which will be Thomas and John P.O. Not a bad start to this whole deal. PSA DNA certified. That's awesome. All right, so we'll randomize that here in just a second. Let's do this other box too. All right, another PSA DNA certified. How about a Duke Snyder? It's a cool one there for the Dodgers. So last name S will be Kenny. So Kenny, that one is coming to you. And let's do a random on the Elway. All right, so we got E and M in this one, and they're listed as they are on the 8x10. So we'll randomize this 5 times. The name at the top after 5 is going to get it. So here we go. Good luck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is going to go to M. So John John Powers, first time back in a while, and pulled an Elway and Christian McCaffrey auto. That's awesome, man. Or Ed McCaffrey, you're right, not Christian. That's awesome, dude. So Kenny and John, congratulations to you on that one. We'll get those in the mail to you tomorrow. And we'll do another 2-box break of this coming up next weekend.